In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a high beam bulb on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located inside of the headlight. Let's get started. Pop out the two retainers and pull straight up and remove them. Remove the headlight assembly. We're going to remove our high beam bulb first. We're going to pick up on the back of this connector, pull straight back. These are the black tabs I was pulling up on. To remove the headlight, we're going to twist clockwise and remove. Install the high beam bulb into the assembly. Make sure it locks in. Twist it down and it'll lock in. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the headlight. Push it back into place. With the headlight installed, we can install our stakes. Get it fully installed and push it back. Do the same thing on the other side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.